Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think there's a very good likelihood on this monthly time frame that this is going to continue to trend up. I think it's an expanding flat wave C, and if it is, then it will definitely go up and take out these highs. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, to me, it still looks like this is a big wave 1. I also think that this is very likely to be an expanding flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C definitely looks like an expanding flat. If that's the case, that means this right here is a wave 1. That also means that this right here is a wave 2. Whether or not the wave 2 is over, I think is yet to be determined. We do have CPI tomorrow for the dollar, so hopefully that's going to help confirm that the wave 2 really is over, that we really are now going up in a big wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this first push up right here is most likely a 1. I think this is clearly a downtrend for an A. 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B. Another clear downtrend, wave C. Higher high wave C than the wave A, and it didn't bounce off a fib level, but I mean, wave C's do quite often make higher highs. It looks to me like a complete wave 2. If it is a complete wave 2, then this should actually end up continuing the uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows on this daily time frame in a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got a nice big impulsive move up. Now I would always label something like this as a wave A or a wave 1, so that way I don't get surprised either scenario. I would definitely label this as either a wave B or a wave 2. Then I would label this move up right here most likely either a C or a 3. If it is a C, then it could bounce out to 61.8, or it could possibly go up to the 78.6, make a big impulsive turn to the downside, proving that it's a wave C, and if that's the case, we'll go short. If it's not a wave C, then it still could bounce off a fib level, but it most likely will not break structure, and it'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows in a big wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down like I was talking about last night, because we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci still. And if it does make a move down, if it does break structure, I personally would still take it as a short. If it actually went down, to me it would actually make a lot of sense if it did go down, because then it would probably be some sort of a flat, maybe an expanding flat, or even a running flat for an ABC correction, setting itself up for tomorrow's CPI news before it actually does end up continuing back up. But I would be very cautious about going short. The trend is up on all the higher time frames. I personally wouldn't even think about going short unless it had a nice impulsive move down with a break of structure. It may be even more likely that it just keeps on trending up, making those higher highs, higher lows, either in a wave C or a wave 3 like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.